Welcome to Unacademy. So today we are going to discuss another question from administrative theory, principle and theory of organization. So we have already discussed everything, and we have discussed the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and today we will discuss coordination is the master principle of all administrative organization comment. So this is a 20-mark question asked in 2011. So this word coordination, the important word here is, first is coordination. This is master principle of all administrative organization. Clear? So be it public, be it private. So be the organization is public or private, every organization coordination is important. So you need to write it in 200 words. So as this question come in 2011, so probably in 2019 or 19 mains or 2020 mains, this is a probable question. In future, this question will come. So when you write this question, coordination, it is the master principle. That means most important principle. This is the most important principle of any type of organization, be it public or private. Okay, so here you will start with the definition of coordination, definition and theorist idea why it is important. So with this basis we'll write this question, that what is coordination, theorist idea, and you need to write the classical and behavioral theorist. Only in that case you will get good mark. If you only write what, that this is coordination, type of coordination, internal coordination, external coordination, you will not get good mark. So you need to write the theorist idea, every theorist, classical, behavioral, human relation. We need to write some example of organization, the organization unit. Clear? So in this way we will write this answer. Okay, so before start, some information for you, that Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform where you can clear your OPSC exam sitting in your home. So just download this Unacademy learning app, and in the Plus platform you will have 30 hours of live sessions every day where lecture by a top educator is there. The exam covered is OS, ASO, CT, CPSC and OMC. So with one Plus subscription you can attend every lecture, and this is the fees, subscription fees, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 1 month. So very less, 5,000 for 6 months. With this you can attend 30 hours of lecture every day, and this is my code, Deepak 10. Using this code you can get 10% discount and get a 6-month course in 5,000. So I am teaching public administration in Unacademy. So if you want public administration optional and along with other things, general study, you can join using this code. This is a revision batch for OS mains by all these top educators who have a very large experience, will help you in your preparation. This is ASO batch the 7th ASO batch that will start in 29 October. There is a current affair test series every day, 7:30 to 7:50. Join this and it will help you in your preparation. And a fast track revision course for city will coming soon. And about me, I have more than 5 year experience teaching public administration. I have appeared in UPSC CSC mains and OCS interview. I have written a book. This is the book I have written. This is for Odisha Civil Service main examination. This book contains everything you need for your OPSC mains exam. Complete syllabus is there. Unit wise previous year OPSC main question. Model long and short. Answer is given. Important report of second ARC. And it is also useful for UPSC. So just have a look. And what should be your approach to study public administration? You first remember the syllabus. You read some unit of paper 1, paper 2 together, analyze previous year question and make structural note for quick revision. That this note help you to revise public administration between the time you find essay and public administration paper 1. So within that time you can revise it. Yes, I am teaching public administration in Unacademy, where we discuss both paper 1 and paper 2. It is a 4-month long course. Classes are daily, Monday to Friday, 1:30 hour. The classes are from 8 p.m. We discuss all previous year main question, 150 plus question we will discuss, how to write intro, body, conclusion, everything we will discuss, and how you write an answer and current information in your answer. So to find that relevant current information for public administration, you can join the Telegram page, Public Administration by Deepak Kumar Swain. There you can send your queries to me. Okay, so that is all. Now this question, coordination is the master principle of all administrative organization. So how we start this question? So you will start with idea of Moni. Moni is a theorist. He said that coordination is first principle of organization. First principle of organization. That means it is the most important principle of organization. After that you just write there are different type of coordination: internal coordination, external coordination, horizontal coordination, perpendicular coordination, procedural and substantive. Just for example, this is an organization. So A coordination with B, C, D, it is internal. If another organization and this organization coordination with this is external. Horizontal, B's coordination is C is horizontal. B's coordination with A is perpendicular. Procedural, coordination according to procedure. Substantive, coordination according to substance or the actual work. It is substantive coordination. After that, some technique of coordination. What are the technique used for coordination? Planning, meeting, conference and communication. These are important technique used for coordination. After that you need to write the idea of classical theorist, human relation theorists and behavioral theorists, what they discuss or said about coordination. So we'll start with the classical theorist. Classical idea on coordination. So basically you already knew that the classical theorists focus on formal coordination in organization, that the coordination is formal. Communication is formal, and communication is one technique of coordination. So as communication is formal, the coordination is also formal. So classical theorists promote formal type coordination in organization. So while writing classical theorists, we should start with the scientific management theorist Taylor. What Taylor said about coordination? Taylor said cooperation between manager and worker. This is coordination. So cooperation between manager and worker is important for effective coordination in organization. After that, mental revolution. So mental revolution. What is mental revolution? The best understanding between worker and manager, so that manager focused on giving best tools and technique to worker, and worker focus on more production. This is mental revolution. After we write Fayol's idea. So Fayol simply said POC: planning, organizing, controlling, commanding and coordinating. So already he said about coordination. So Fayol's idea of POC, and Fayol given 14 principle, which is termed as a universal principle. One principle is unity of direction. So unity of direction cannot possible in organization without effective coordination. Very simple thing. So Fayol's idea. After that you write Gulick, same POSDCORB, and this is coordination. Gulick also said about coordination, or Gulick give importance to coordination in his idea of postcorp. After that, in his principle, one of his principle is coordination through hierarchy, coordination through idea, coordination through conference. So this is 3 principle of Gulick. Gulick give 10 principle, Fayol give 14 principle. So one of the principle is unity of direction, which cannot be possible without coordination. And Gulick's postcorp, he directly mentioned about coordination hierarchy, coordination through idea and coordination through conference. Listen, Dinesh. Odia, listen. Listen, what is the problem? I can say in Odia, no problem with that. But what I think, you need to write in English. Okay, you need to write in English in your exam, because public administration cannot be written in other way. So you should try to remember every word. So for example, unity of direction, it is very difficult to translate it in ODI, or postcorp view, coordination through hierarchy, idea, conference. So I want you to understand and remember this in English, so that you can use it or write it. So it will be helpful for you. No problem with me, but it will helpful for you. So directly you can write this sentence in your exam. Okay, so that is it. Now, so I try to speak in very slow, very lucid language. Clear? So if you find any problem, you can ask me. So Fayol's idea, Gulick's idea of postcorp: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting, coordination through hierarchy, coordination through idea, and coordination through conference. So after Gulick, another theorist, Urbik said in his principle that principle of coordination. So Urbik directly give principle of coordination. Urbik give 8 principle. So in this 8 principle, one principle is principle of coordination. After writing Urbik, the another classical theorist who you write is Max Weber, who is known as father of bureaucracy. So Weber said bureaucracy, and what is bureaucracy? Weber said bureaucracy consists of a group of professionals who selected on the basis of merit. They work in a coordinated manner in organization. So this is bureaucracy. So people work in a coordinated manner. So the importance of coordination, again highlighted by whom? Highlighted by Max Weber. Clear? So you just remember what is bureaucracy. So now two things happen. You remember the definition of bureaucracy. So if I said in Odia, so again you need to translate it to write. So bureaucracy is a group of professionals who selected on the basis of merit. They work in a coordinated manner to achieve the organizational goal, that is welfare and development of people. So I am helping you by speaking everything in English. Okay, so that is my aim. Don't take otherwise. So Max Weber, again he give importance to coordination in organization. After Weber, another theorist, M.P. Follett. M.P. Follett also said that planning and coordination is important for organization. So when you write the idea of theorist, certainly you will get more mark. So Follett said planning and coordination is important for organization. After Follett, human relation approach. So human relation theory whom? Elton Mayo. Mayo give focus on informal coordination in organization. Just write one sentence. So Mayo, who is known as father of human importance to informal coordination in organization, he rejected the formal coordination and said that informal coordination is as important as formal coordination. So Mayo, informal coordination. After that you need to write about the behavioral group of theorists. Behavioral theorist idea. So we start with Bernard, Chester Bernard. Chester Bernard said cooperation is important principle of organization. Organization cannot possible without cooperation, and for effective cooperation you need coordination. So just we are interpreting idea of theorist while writing our answer. Coordination is the master principle of every organization. So Chester Bernard said cooperation is important principle, and without coordination, cooperation is not possible. After writing Chester Bernard, we will write about McGregor. McGregor is another important behavioral theorist who give his idea transactional influence in organization. Transactional influence in organization and Scanlon plan. He conducted an experiment in Scanlon. He termed it Scanlon plan. So transactional influence in organization is not possible without effective coordination between employee manager. So McGregor also given importance to coordination through his idea transactional influence. After McGregor, Likert has given 4 types of organization: system 1, system 2, system 3, system 4, and in system 4 He said interactive influence system. System 4 is democratic participative value system, and in this interactive influence system, employee, manager all influence each other. So this result interactive influence system, and this interactive influence system is not possible without effective what? Coordination. So again coordination play a important role. After Likert, the next theories we will discuss about Chris Argyris. Chris Argyris give fusion process. And what is fusion process? It is mix of socialization process plus personalization process. Socialization process, individuals' interaction with other in the organization to achieve the organizational goal, and personalization goal, individual aim to fulfill his own aim. So socialization and personalization process combinedly make fusion process, and for the combination again you need effective coordination. Without effective coordination, fusion process cannot be possible in organization. Clear? So after writing all theorist idea, we write about some organization unit, that headquarter and field relation. So a good relationship between headquarter and field need effective coordination. You can mention headquarter and field, line and staff, effective relation between line and staff, effective relation between line, just one second, line and staff, the relationship between directorate and secretariat. So effective relationship between directorate and secretariat, line and staff, headquarter and field. Clear? And coordination between different department of administration. All need what? All need effective coordination. All need effective coordination. So hence it was proved that coordination is the master principle of all administrative organization. Okay, so this is the answer to the question. Coordination, master principle, all administrative organization. So you need to write in this way, giving example and theorist idea. So this is for today. We will meet on Saturday same time. Another question we will discuss from administrative thought.